All right, so I want to give you an overview of ZipGrade and one of the great reasons I love to use it. It's a replacement for the original Scantron. And so you're able to print out your Scantrons just on printer paper. And then you can use your iPhone, iPad, or Android device to scan. And so it's a really great alternative. And so you have different things you would obviously import. I'll show you another video later how to import your classes from your database of students. But I'm just going to show you what happens here. I'm going to go to my quizzes, and I'll go to a recent one here in macro. And so you can see it's going to have a score distribution and give me some good data here. But it also will show me, I can look at all the scores. It gives me a good item analysis of each question. And so I can sort it by percent that's correct. And I can also look at different alternative answers, like what percentages did it break down, and give that good data and see why the students chose that answer choice. And then you also have the ability to export PDF file. I'll show you what that looks like in a second. And then an Excel spreadsheet. So you can look at that as well. And so if you export the PDF file, I usually do this with test corrections. And so if you look over here, the student is going to receive obviously their score, but it's going to give them also the class percentage of what it looks like with each question that got it correct. And then it'll keep the picture of their actual test. And so I just usually print this out and let them see this. So anyways, great alternative to a typical Scantron. I highly recommend it, and I'm going to show you a few videos later on how to set everything up. So good luck.